Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to add contact photos to iMessage on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your contacts app, then find a contact that you want to change the photo of. So let's say I want to change this one. Then just simply tap on edit on the top right corner. You can either add the photo if you want right here, or you could add emojis and stuff. When I go right here and tap on emoji, so as you can see, you can add all of these. It also add a mice, an octopus. Now here on the monogram, we can also add it. So let's say I want to add an emoji. I'll put an octopus right here. Now I'll just tap on next, done. Now the contact photo right here. You can either choose a different photo from your photos, or you could go with an emoji of your liking. So let's say I want laundry. There's one here. And tap on next. Now continue. Now as you can see, I have made the poster and the contact photo. Now if I go right here, now it's set. That's basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.